Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Fern. Thank you for clicking on this video today. So as you can tell by today's title, I'm doing a recent purchases haul, and I don't think I've done one of these before. I'm pretty sure I've done a favourites, and I definitely want to get back into doing them. So if you do want to see more videos on maybe like monthly favourites, whether that's like fashion, beauty, skincare, food, drinks, anything like that, like a favourites video for the month, let me know down below, leave a comment. But yeah, these are just recent purchases that I've made, I'd say over the last couple of months. Most of it quite recent, some of it a little while ago, but they're things that I just really want to share with you. Obviously this isn't everything that I've bought more, but these are the things that I think are worth sharing with you guys. Before we jump in, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe down below, join the little family, it would mean the world to me. And yeah, if you want to see what I've bought recently that actually has probably come to over £1,000, then just keep watching. I'm going to start with, I think, the only two beauty things that I do want to share with you guys. Bought these a little while ago, maybe like a month or so, and I've just been using them quite regularly ever since. I bought the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade True Beige. I'm pretty sure I got this from Superdrug. I think it's like around £10, so like pretty affordable foundation. I love NYX as a brand, and I just heard so many good things about this months ago, and I didn't jump on the hype then because I don't like matte foundations. I will set my face lightly with powder, but I don't like a really thick, heavy, like matte foundation. So I was a little bit skeptical, but if I use a glowy primer or like, I don't know, liquid highlight or something under it, and make sure my skin is really moisturised, and then use a hydrating setting spray after, this foundation is insane. The coverage, the colour of this, it doesn't even feel like you're wearing a lot on your skin, and I've definitely recommended this to a lot of people. So everything that I do talk about I will try and link down below for you guys to go and check out. But the second item I have had once before, but I had to pick it up again because I haven't had it in a couple of years and I missed it. It's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Mine is in the shade Medium 1 Custard. I just love this. It's not too thick, it's not thin, it's got a really nice coverage, brilliant for under the eyes. I love the consistency of it, and they are a little bit expensive. I'm pretty sure this concealer is maybe like £22, I want to say, but it is well worth it. I love it. So I picked a couple of things up from ASOS not too long ago. I think there was more than this, but these are the main two things that I just really wanted to show you guys. I haven't even taken the label off this yet. I picked up this satin black cami top, which is, I think, ASOS own. Yeah, it's just ASOS's brand. I got this in a size 8. I've got a plain black cami top already, but it's just like, I think it's either a cotton or like a crepe kind of fabric. But I really love the satin because it gives it a bit of a more sexy feel, I guess. And I could definitely wear this on a night out. If you want to wear it with some jeans or like wide leg trousers, you could tuck it in, leave it out, dress it up with some gold jewellery. It's just such a simple little piece, but I think is really classy, and I had to get it. Another thing that I picked up from ASOS, but it's actually from Pretty Little Thing, is this top here. So it's these little poofy sleeves kind of sit here, poof out, and then the sleeves are like long, what are they called? Bell sleeves, is that what they're called? Basically wide at the end. I got this in a UK 8, and it's got like a little frilly bit here, and then it ties up with these two, so you kind of just pop it on, tie it as tight as you want in the middle, which I quite like. The only thing with this is I feel like it's a tiny bit see-through, and it's a little bit awkward to wear bras with, so I do need to get some more like skin coloured silicone nipple stickers. I use the ones from Primark usually, just to wear under here, because I think you'd see your nipple through it, and then anything white under white kind of makes it stand out more. So big tip, if you've never heard that before, is if you are going to wear something white, wear something that's really close to your skin colour. Any kind of nude underwear, nude nipple stickers, nude bra, You would think maybe wearing white under white is your best bet, but realistically that just makes the colour thicker and you're going to see the white more. So anything nude skin coloured under white is your best bet. But yeah, I really love this. I love the style of it. It's so like cute and girly, but like not to the point where I wouldn't wear it because I'm not the most girly girl. I just really thought it was a cute little top and I couldn't resist picking it up either. Moving on to something that I've actually purchased this day that I'm filming this video. I picked them up this morning. So I ordered these on Foot Asylum because I saw there was a sale going on. I saw them online and I've already got black ones of these that I've had for like over a year and I wear them quite a lot, to be honest. Just like, they're so easy. Slides are like the easiest thing to just chuck on. I do apologise, I'm not quite sure what's happening with my hair. Yeah, slides are just like the easiest thing to chuck on and they kind of go with everything normally. So I had to pick up these little beauties. Like I said, I've got the all black canvas ones, literally the exact same as this, just in black, and I love them. But I saw that they had these on sale because I think they're usually £30. Currently these are £19.99 on Foot Asylum. So I ordered them online yesterday and I had next day delivery. Turned up, they were slides, but they were black and they weren't this canvas shoe. They weren't the ones that I've already got. They were completely different. And I'm like, it says on the box black ones, but it says on the receipt that they put in the bag, the pink, like, or blush I think they called it, canvas ones. I don't know, I'm so confused. So I just went to my local Foot Asylum, which is about 15-20 minutes away from me, asked if they had them in stock, and I just bought them there because I'm not allowed to exchange if you paid on PayPal, which was great. So I had a palaver this morning. But yes, picked these up because they were in the sale. I will link them if they're still in the sale, happy days. But I paid £30 for my black ones originally and I think they're well worth it because they're just perfect. Now, something that I haven't done on my channel before is a Zara haul, because I was never really the biggest fan of Zara, just because the shop that I always went into in Cardiff was just so messy, so unorganised. It didn't really seem clear to be like certain things. So I don't really know whether it's like a clearance store or something. There's a lot of sale in there. But any time that I went in, it just hurt my head. And then trying to shop on the Zara website kind of hurts my head as well. Like, it's just not... Does anyone else get like this? Leave a comment down below if you have actually shopped or gone into a Zara and you just like, where the fuck do I look? I'm not... I just... Ugh. But when I went to Bristol probably a few weeks ago now, I did go into store and just have a quick wander around, and I did come out with two things. The one thing that I knew I was looking for is because if you have heard of Emily Philpott on YouTube, she's so lovely. Never met her, but we've spoken a few times and I love her hauls. She has quite a few of these Zara little cami tops, and when I saw her pick this one up, I loved the like double line slinky kind of material and I really liked the square neckline of it. I just thought it looked really nice on here, so I had to try and find it for myself. I got it in a small. I wish they did an extra small because I would have liked this to be a bit tighter, because I don't have the biggest boobs to kind of like, I don't know, make it a bit tighter, I guess. So an extra small would be nice, but I think they only do it in small, medium and large. But yeah, I love this, and I'm pretty sure these are like £7 or £8, which is brilliant. But yeah, if you want to go to a Zara anytime soon, I can highly, highly recommend these little cami tops. I definitely want to pick up the other ones because they've got a few other colours as well. And then the second thing that I picked up from Zara is, again, in a small. It's just this little black crop top. It's really difficult because I don't know how to explain. It's not got a distressed hem, but it's kind of like not sewn like a certain way, and I really like it. It's different. I haven't got a plain black crop top like this with sleeves. I've got a lot of like strappy ones or bodysuits and things like that, or like long sleeve tops, but I hadn't had anything like this. It's just another really good basic, a staple in your wardrobe. It's got cat hair all over it. Again, I think this was probably about £7-8, definitely under £10. Again, in a small. This is really, really thick, nice quality material. I can vouch for Zara's quality of their clothes so far, but I'm definitely going to do a Zara haul eventually. I think I'm going to go back to Bristol because I liked that shop more than the Cardiff one, so I'm going to go back there I think maybe next month or the month after, and I'll try and bring you guys a Zara haul, so look out for that, or let me know if you want to see one. But yeah, love this top as well. One thing that I spent a lot of money on, what was it, 2 months ago? 3 months ago? I can't even remember now. I basically went to London for the day. I met up with a friend, I had a little wander around, but my main aim was to go and buy this bag that I'd been wanting for a long time. I was a little bit skeptical about buying it online because I hadn't seen it in person, so I went to London to go and see this bag in person. I was in there for about half an hour just chatting to all the staff in there. They brought me, I think it was some sort of lemonade type prosecco. It was great. And decided that I did want the bag, and I purchased it. You would have seen this all over my Instagram if you do follow me over there. Yeah, I mean, I was going to film this video like a recent purchases haul quite a while ago, but I just never got around to it. But I still want to show you guys this because I'm so in love. I never really, well, I did an unboxing on the Gucci belt that I bought. If you haven't seen that unboxing, it's on my channel, I think last year or the start of the year. But yeah, this bag I've been eyeing up for quite a while, and I had a little bit of money to treat myself left over, so I did it. This bag costs like 880 something, I think, which is a lot of money for a bag, I know, but I do like designer items, and especially bags and shoes are things that I just love to buy. I was really worried about wearing this. I only wore it like twice the first 2 weeks I had it, on like occasions where I went out, but I wear this every day now because I'm so used to it. The quality of these bags are unreal. Inside it is just like the softest suede kind of feeling, and Gucci is just one of my favourite brands to look at designer stuff from. There was another bag that I did really want, but I thought this one was just something, I knew I wanted it, and as soon as I saw it I just fell in love. Quality, you just cannot complain. These bags are gonna last you years. Like, if you think about cost per wear, if I'm wearing this every day for like God knows how many years, I'm definitely gonna get my money's worth out of it. But that is what the back of it looks like. That is the front, and it's just got a long strap that's slightly adjustable as well. So I love this. I will link it if any of you guys are interested. Again, I did a little shop in Primark the other day. I'm not going to show you everything, but I just can't stop going on about Primark nails, and they've brought some new ones in now. They've brought like a ombre kind of French nails. So in my new job I'm only supposed to have short nails, so I'm going to make the most of having some long nails for the next like 3 weeks. So I picked a few different ones up. I've got these, naked, so they're quite like a nude colour, which I really like. I might wear these this weekend. These were £1. I've got the same shape, just in like a peachy colour. I'm pretty sure I've had these ones before, but again they were £1, and these are both matte finishes. And then these I'm pretty sure are new, so they've got short ones for like French nails, which I'll be able to wear in my new job, so I'll probably pick some more of these up. These are glossy nails, and these are £1.50, but these are kind of like really light pink and like creamy white, kind of like an iridescent ombre. Quite like these. And then these ones, oh, I might wear these this weekend, I don't know, but these are a stiletto shape. I really like this shape of these ones, but they're called New Frenchie. Again, they were £1.50. But if you can see, they're kind of like ombre from pink to white at the tips as well. So yeah, if you can't afford, or if you don't want to pay £30 or however much it is in your area for acrylic nails, just get Primark stick-on ones. And then the two last things I think I'm going to show you are from Missy Empire. The first one is this cardigan, which I'm obsessed with. If you watched my Pretty Little Thing haul, it was a couple of videos ago maybe, I bought a really long cardigan that I did like, but it wasn't quite right. Like, it was slipping off my shoulders, wasn't quite feeling the colour of it. It just wasn't right, you know. And then I saw this cardigan on Missy Empire. I got this in a 10. Very similar concept. You've just got your long sleeves there, but it is basically a long midi knitted cardigan. You've got your Missy Empire logo there. it's just really comfy. It's nice and thick, perfect for the evenings. I mean, not really something I'm going to be wearing through summer now, but like evening things to chuck on if it gets a bit chilly, and definitely like going towards the end of the year as well. This is going to be a staple of mine. But yeah, absolutely obsessed with this. And the last thing I'm actually wearing, so I'm going to have to like show you this way. So if you guys watch my hauls or watch anyone else's hauls, you will know that everyone loves the Pretty Little Thing joggers, which I've got a grey pair of, and I am meaning to pick up a black pair because I need a medium. In my Pretty Little Thing haul you would have seen, but I saw these on Missy Empire. They're like a really light creamy pinky nude colour, nice and baggy. I got these in a size 8. They're very similar to the Pretty Little Thing ones. I would just say they're a little bit baggier, but I love them. I've rolled them up at the bottom because I like them quite cropped, and they're really like roomy as well, so I would definitely size down. If they had a 6, I could have got into a 6 in these. I'd definitely size down. If you're in between sizes, definitely go for the size down because they're like really roomy and really stretchy as well. And that, I think, is everything that I have to share with you that I've purchased quite recently. I know I bought my Gucci bag a little while ago, but I did want to share it with you guys because I didn't do an unboxing, even though a few people asked me to do one. I never did. So if you have any questions about any of the things I've picked up, leave a comment down below. Message me over on Instagram. If you aren't already, follow me over there. It's fern with 2 N's Roberts. Cheeky plug. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know whether you do like these kinds, whether I should do some favourites or more recent purchases rather than just like one branded hauls. If I buy a bunch of stuff, please let me know. I would love your guys' opinions. Like I said at the beginning, if you did enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye.